All right, so what we got going on today, Zach?
All right, so because we procrastinate, we're trying to smash out all these pieces of furniture for the 2 shows we have going on the weekend of June 2nd. We have the Cattleman's Ball, and then we have the Midwest Design Furniture Show down in Overland Park, Kansas. Josh just finished up this really nice piece. This, man, the dust blowing right over here. Oh, man.
I was
looking, I'm like, spray happening?
I was like, what's so cloudy in the camera?
Yeah. But this is a drip slab. We've had these for about a year or so, never made anything out of it. But Josh just finished this up. And the base, I really love it. It's fat, chunky 8x8 pieces of monkey pod to go with this monkey pod top. The best part is he used our Shaper CNC router to perfectly cut in the radius on the top side. You can't notice it too much yet, but once we get this done, you'll see how tight and awesome this fits. Super cool piece overall. I'm gonna really like that, especially for the Midwest Design Furniture Show. We're trying to make pieces for the architects and designers that would appreciate, you know, we're not just doing simple river tables. Our first entry door we're working on, there isn't too much yet. This is just a slab that's surfaced, but we're gonna get this built up this week. This is built out of Peroda wood, 2 3/4 thick. This thing is gonna be beefy.
Yeah, I was gonna say this bad boy.
We got some really nice hardware for it. We got some 5-inch ball bearing hinges. I got a 3-point lock mechanism. Really nice, big double handled doorknob. Tim's working on this upfurl slab. We're gonna cast this up and have this there at the Midwest Design Furniture Show. We're not gonna put table legs on it, but we're just gonna get it casted and staying upright so we can show people off a little bit of the epoxy work we do. Not too much to look at yet, but we have, this is actually gonna be Brandy's future office desk, but we're gonna take this to the furniture show in Overland Park as well. Like I said, there's not much right now. These are just the pieces, but we have to go down to the sawmill, and there's a slab that we're gonna resaw on our sawmill to get 2 parts out of it. It'll make more sense later on. The Cattleman's Ball, I'll show you a few pieces for that. So we have a table in here. We just put our last coat on. This is actually for a customer.
Wow.
We're gonna use it at the Cattleman's Ball and then deliver to him afterwards. So this is our Alice Chalmers theme table here, and it turned out really good. Tim just applied the last coat of lacquer on it. So it looks a little cloudy and hazy now, but once it cures up in a few hours, it's gonna, you know, really look super sharp. And then I'm gonna show you the table we're gonna have at the auction. This is the table we're gonna have for auction at the Cattleman's Ball. This is Wild Cashew. We stained this with our Rustic Lumber dark oak color, I believe. 2 coats, really love the way this turned out. This isn't the base that's gonna go with it. We're just setting it on there temporarily, but we have a freestanding base that we're gonna paint it black. But yeah, that's what we have in store that we're getting all wrapped up.
That's, you said cashew?
Yeah.
I was like,
that's that super yellow color.
that's what I said. I was about to say, when you said it was cashew, I was like, wait a minute, cashew's way lighter than this.
Yeah, staining that dark oak.
That looks
a
good.
huge difference. Like, this is super sharp, dude. Like, I think that's why we don't sell it, because people looking on the rack are like, dude, it's yellow.
Yeah.
But once it gets, like, this looks, I mean, I love this color. Like, it's,
Yeah, I would never have guessed this was cashew.